Welcome to 4252 Whittier Boulevard in the city of Los Angeles. This brand new building offers a fresh standard of apartment living where new construction meets everyday convenience. As you enter into the double doors at the front of the building, you will find the elevator conveniently located to the right. The mailboxes are also on this level with a restroom and the common area recreation room, which will be including a 65-inch television. Adjacent to the common room is the laundry room, which has state-of-the-art washers and dryers with easy pay options. And then one more direct door out to the gated garage area where parking can be added for an additional fee. This video will show one of our one-bedroom, one-baths, and the entire building consists of only one bedrooms. This unit will be on the second level, and as we enter the hallway, there's also stairs for easy access if you prefer. Enter into the unit, you'll see beautiful new cabinetry with quartz countertops, stainless steel sink, range, microwave, and refrigerator. Beautiful new floors and air conditioning and heating splits to keep you warm or cool throughout the year. The bedroom is spacious with a nice window to the outside, and depending on the location of the unit, the view will change. And a good size closet with sliding doors. All utilities are included in this unit, as well as high-speed internet, except for electric. A shower tub enclosure in the bathroom, and spacious area. If interested in viewing this beautiful unit, please call 424-521-2758.